Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to reset GoodBudget account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To reset your GoodBudget account and start fresh, what you need to do first is clear all data, that is reset transaction and balances. This will delete all your transaction history and reset envelope balances to zero, but keeps your envelope names and accounts names intact. To do it, simply head over and open up your web browser, then on the search bar type in GoodBudget, then tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then once you're inside the homepage of the GoodBudget, simply log into your account by simply tapping on the login option or the profile icon on the top right corner of your screen and log in with your credentials. Then once logged into your GoodBudget account on the web, click your household name at the top right. Then select clear all my data from the menu on the left and then click the red yes please delete all my data button. Then once done, all you gotta do is simply tap on confirm to begin the process, and this will clear all the data or reset transaction and balances in the GoodBudget account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.